Today I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section in Carrd. This is incredibly useful when you want to maintain consistency across your site without having to recreate elements from scratch every time. First, open your web browser and head over to carrd.co. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard displaying all the sites you've created. Browse through and select the specific site you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on Edit this site. This will open up the Carrd editor where you can make all your modifications and adjustments. Now, let's say you want to duplicate a text element on your page. Simply click on the text element you wish to copy. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or any other text block you've created. Clicking on it will select the element and bring up the editing options. Next, navigate to the bottom left panel of your screen. Here, you'll find various element controls and settings. Look for the button that says Make a copy of this element and click it. This action creates an exact duplicate of your text element, saving you the time of retyping or reformatting everything from scratch. The copied element will appear right next to or below the original, and you can then drag it to wherever you need it on your page. If you want to duplicate an image instead, the process is just as straightforward. Click on the image you want to copy. This selects the image and activates the editing panel with all the relevant options for that particular element. Once again, navigate to the bottom left panel of your screen. You'll see the same option available here. Click on Make a copy of this element button. This instantly creates a duplicate of your image, complete with all its settings like size, position effects, and any links attached to it. You can then reposition this copied image anywhere on your site, maintaining visual consistency without needing to re-upload or reconfigure anything. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to duplicate sections and elements in Carrd, whether they're text blocks or images. This simple technique will significantly speed up your website building process and help maintain design consistency throughout your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.